here and I am from VS Physics. Today is my presentation and my presentation topic name is polysaccharides and preparation of polysaccharides. First of all, what is polysaccharides? Polysaccharides are composed of hundreds of monosaccharides linked together, while monosaccharides represent simple sugars. Polysaccharides represent complex sugar. Polysaccharides exist as long or as a long chain with branches. The shape and linkage determine the physical properties of each polysaccharides. In simple words, carbohydrates, that is cellulose, are a starch glycogen whose molecules consist of a number of sugar molecules bonding together is called polysaccharides. Examples of polysaccharides, there are two examples of polysaccharides, starch and cellulose. Starch characteristics of starch. Starch is carbohydrates. Starch is made 100 to 1000 of monosaccharide unit combination. They always produced in green plants as an energy storage because plants do not continue process of photosynthesis in every time, because with no fulfill conditions sometimes we are facing the problem, sometimes carbon dioxide, so we no continue process. In this condition they store energy and use in this situation. It is the most common carbohydrates found in human diet, and it is contained in large amount in staple foods, that is wheat, corn, rice, potatoes, cassava, as well as in the grain. Starch is a white powder. Density of starch is 1.5 gram per centimeter cube. Solubility in water is insoluble. Melting point of starch is decomposes. Formula of starch is C6H10O5N. What is N? N, how many how many number of monosaccharides are combined, then this starch. Function of starch. The main function of starch present in plants as the energy storage. Enzymes present in our body to digest starch, and the name of enzyme is saliva. Saliva is also called a ptyalin, which is capable of breaking down a starch into simpler sugars such as can be further broken down in the small intestine. About 30% of starch digestion take place in the mouth cavity. Ptyalin also found in humans and many other mammals. Ptyalin, the amine isoform present in human saliva, is a metalloenzyme and requires calcium ions for functions. The optimum condition for ptyalin activity or a pH range 5.6 to 6.9. A temperature of ptyalin 378 degree, and the presence of certain anions and activities such as chloride, bromide, and iodide. What is maltose? A molecular formula of maltose C12H22O11. Maltose are malt sugars is a disaccharides from 2 units of glucose joined with alpha 1,4 bond. Uses in industry of starch. Starch is converted into sugars, for example, by melting and fermented to produce ethanol in the manufacture of beer, whiskey, and biofuel. It is processed to produce many of the sugars used in processed foods. Mixing most starches in warm water produce a thick paste such as wheat paste, which can be used as a thickening, stiffening, and gluing agent. The, the biggest industry the biggest industrial non-food use of starch is as an adhesive in the paper making process. Starch can be applied to parts of some garments before ironing to stiffen them. Types of starch. There are two types of starch: straight chain and branch chain. Straight chain. over 250 monosaccharide units are combined, then they made amylose. This is a structure of amylose branch chain. 100,000 monosaccharide units are combined, then they made amylopectin. This is the structure of amylopectin. Cellulose. Characteristics. Cellulose are carbohydrates. Cellulose is made 100 to 1000 of monosaccharide unit combination, most abundant organic compound on Earth. Some bacteria species secrete it. Color of cellulose is white. Density of cellulose is 1.5 gram per centimeter cube. Melting point of cellulose is 260 to 290 degree. Molecular formula of cellulose C6H10O5N. What is N? How many monosaccharides are combined to make starch or cellulose? The cellulose content of cotton fiber is 90%, that of wood is 40 to 50%, and that of dried hemp is approximately 57%. They are tasteless and odorless. Function. What is function of cellulose? Cellulose is the main substance found in plant cell walls and help the plant to remain stiff and strong. Human cannot digest cellulose, but it is important in the diet as a source of the fiber. Cellulose is used to make cloth. Cellulose derivative can be used in shampoo. Besides providing viscosity, they boost and stabilize the foam and add a creamy texture to formulations. The product are pseudoplastic, spread easily and rinse off easily from the hair. Hydroxyethyl. Cellulose can be used in toothpaste so that the toothpaste has good physical and chemical stability. The addition of hydroxyethyl cellulose into the component of calcium carbonate, sodium benzoate, glycerin, flavor, and water can formulate the toothpaste with stable consistency. The main application of cellulose fiber are in the textile industry as chemical filters and as fiber reinforcement composites due to their similar properties to engineered fibers, being another option for biocomposites and polymer composites. Cellulose in humans cannot digest cellulose because it is important in the diet as fiber. Fiber assists your digestive system, keeping food moving through the gut and pushing waste out of the body. Animals such as cows, sheep, and horses can digest cellulose, which is why they can get the energy and nutrient they need for growth. Types of polysaccharides. Polysaccharides can be broadly classified into two classes: homopolysaccharides and heteropolysaccharides. Homopolysaccharides are made up of one type of monosaccharides unit, that is cellulose starch glycogen. Heteropolysaccharides are made up of two or more types of monosaccharide units, that is hyaluronic acid, and they provide extracellular support for organisms. This is the structure of polysaccharides. Characteristics of polysaccharides: they are amorphous solids, they are tasteless, they are insoluble in water, they are non-reducing. Reducing in monosaccharides, but they are reducing or non-reducing in oligosaccharides. And now, preparation of polysaccharides from wax gourd. Preparation of polysaccharides from wax gourd studied. The crude polysaccharides were extracted by ethanol precipitations and deproteinized by the hydrochloric acid method. The deproteinized polysaccharides were separated by column chromatography to obtain the pure polysaccharides. The pure polysaccharides have a beta D pyran acidic bond, and their weight is distributed is about 22,500. It was indicated that the final product had much more purity by IR spectrum analysis, UV absorptions, spectrum analysis, and phenol sulfuric acid method respectively. It was proved that Rex God polysaccharides were composed of ribinose, xylose, arabinose, mannose, glucose, and galactose by thin layer chromatography. Second method is preparation and deproteinization of garlic polysaccharides. Preparation and deproteinization method of garlic polysaccharides, allium sativum al. This is another name of garlic, was studied. The crude polysaccharides was prepared by the method of hot water extraction. The percentage of deproteinization and polysaccharides loss were compared as indexes using the hydrochloric acid method, trichloroacetic acid method, NaCl method, and CaCl method, respectively. The infrared spectra analysis and content analysis show that the ACL method exhibited the highest percentage of deproteinization and a little higher percentage of polysaccharides loss than the other three methods. The CaCl2 method exceeded NaCl method in deproteinization. Third method, preparation of polysaccharide from Acanthopanax santicosus and its inhibition against irradiation-induced injury of rat. Acanthopanax. First of all, what is Acanthopanax? Acanthopanax, a genus of prickly shrub and trees native to temperate Asia that have handsome playmate leaves and produce green flavors in much branched cluster. Acanthopanax grows in many provinces in China and has long been used as a traditional medicine in China. This paper reports on the extraction of polysaccharides from A. santicosus and its effect of irradiation protection. 15 GY X-rays irradiation was delivered to rats. Polysaccharides from A. santicosus were administered before and after irradiation to examine its inhibition against irradiation-induced injury. Results indicate that in comparison with the non-irradiated controls, irradiation of 15 GY results in a significant reduction of rats' body weight, food and water intake, white cell counts, activity of superoxide dismutase SOD, sodium glutathione peroxide GSP-PX and increase of MDA level. What is GSP-PX? This is Goldman Sachs Strategic Growth Fund Class P. 10 to 20 days after being irradiated. Although after that, these indexes start to slowly return to normal. Oral administration of polysaccharides from A. santicosus dose dependently reduced the irradiation-induced injury on rats studied, showed a protective effect against irradiation-induced loss of BWWC, food and water intake, reduce of MDA level, and raise antioxidase activity SOD GSHPX. It may be concluded that polysaccharides from a santic causes poses good irradiation protective effect. Fourth method, fourth method, preparation of polysaccharides from cyanobacteria nostocommune and their antioxidant. What is
हमरा आपका माइक ऑफ हो गया है।
factors affecting the polysaccharide yields were investigated, and the optimum extraction conditions were determined as follow. Time is 4 hour, temperature 90 degree, the ratio of liquid to solid 60.1 V by W, and extraction times 4 hour. The extract was filtered, concentration 2%, 10%, precipitated with 3 volumes of ethanol, freeze, dried, and ground to yield a water-soluble powder. The polysaccharide content of the product was 96.7%, and the yield was 9.18%. Fourier transform infrared spectra demonstrated that the product samples were mainly composed of polysaccharides. The polysaccharides showed high hydroxyl radical saving activity, that is 92.71%, and reducing capacity 0.445 at the concentration of 100 uh, milligram. Preparation. The fifth method is preparation and characterization of polysaccharides films from the cyanobacteria nostocommune. A variety of polysaccharides into the culture medium during cell growth. In this paper, we report for the first time the use of these polysaccharides as a raw material for the preparation of biopolymeric films. The structural characterization of the film prepared was assessed by FTIR. What is FTIR? Fourier transforms infrared spectroscopy techniques. They are used in obtaining an infrared spectrum of absorption or emission of a solid liquid organs simultaneously, called high spectral resolution data over a wide spectral range. And hydrogen 1 NMR XRD and thermal analysis test and have a good. What is one R? NMR protons nuclear resonance is the application of nuclear magnetic resonance in NMR spectroscopy with respect to hydrogen 1. Tensile tests showed that NCP films displayed a similar mechanical behavior in comparison with the natural biopolymer films. These results suggested that these NCP films can be used for the development of new biopolymeric materials with potential applications in the food and biomedical industries. The sixth method is bioactivities, isolation, and purification method of polysaccharides from natural products. Polysaccharides play multiple roles and have extensive bioactivities in life process and an immense potential in healthcare, food, and cosmetic industries due to their therapeutic effect and relatively low toxicity. This review describes the major function involved in anti-tumor, antivirus, and anti-inflammatory bioactivities. Due to their innermost structural heterogeneity, the approaches for isolation and purification of polysaccharides are distinct from that of the other macromolecules such as protein, etc. Yet to achieve the homogeneity is the initial step for studies of polysaccharides structure, pharmacology, and its structure activities relationship. According to the experience accumulated by our lab and the published literatures, this review also introduced the methods widely used in isolation and purification of polysaccharides. Thank you.
हमना वैसे आपका टॉपिक था नैनो पार्टिकल्स बनाने का तरीका। वो आपको मैंने बताया था, आपने मेथड्स और बाकी चीजें तो आपने बनाई, लेकिन नैनो पार्टिकल्स बनाने का
नो
तरीका आपने नहीं बताया।
नो सर, वो मैंने बाद में आपसे पूछा था तो आपने कहा था ठीक है, फिर आपने कहा था मैं तुम्हें मेथड्स पे लिख दूं और पॉलीसेकेराइड्स पे।
तो लिख दो, लेकिन मैंने कहा था आप मैसेज दोबारा पढ़ें अपने, ठीक है? मैसेज डिलीट तो नहीं किए आपने? आप दोबारा
सर
पढ़ें।
वो
मैंने उसमें ये
शायद
लिखा था कि जो आपने बना लिया वो ठीक है, इसके अलावा नैनो पार्टिकल्स के मेथड अलग से बना के बीच में ऐड कर दो। मैंने कहा था जो बनाया वो भी सेंड कर दो मटेरियल, और नैनो पार्टिकल अलग से बना के मुझे भेज दो। और जो प्रेजेंटेशन आप यहाँ क्लास में दे रहे हैं, इसमें जो एक्स्ट्रा चीजें आपने असाइनमेंट में बना ली थी वो भी प्रेजेंट करने की जरूरत नहीं थी। आपका जो स्पेसिफिक टॉपिक था,
सर
मेंटली
आपकी
मेंटली आपको स्मार्ट होना चाहिए। उसमें ये होता है कि जो आपको चीज बताई जाए आप उसको स्पेसिफिक करें, अदरवाइज तो ये टॉपिक, कोई भी टॉपिक को अगर आप पकड़ लें तो बहुत बड़ा टॉपिक होता है। स्पेसिफिकली उसमें आपने बताना होता है कि कौन सी चीज आपने कैसे बयान करनी है।